2, 3, 4. I'm returning to the secret place, just an altar and a flame. Love is found here in our sacred space. I hear your voice, I see your face. You're still my first love. You're still my only one. Then the bridge. And I feel my heart beating inside of my chest. I wanna stay forever like this. May the flame of my heart always be red. I wanna stay forever like this. Okay, that song is way too high for me, and I hope you'll be able to sing it. If you're female vocal, probably be able to. But male vocals, you want to put the capo somewhere else than the original, which is just an open tuning. But anyway, let's just learn it in the original, and then later you can change the capo. Okay, so first things first, the song is in the key of D. If you don't know your D chords yet, check the link for the course in the description. You can get it for free, and your D chords will be in that course. But let's go over the chords quickly. Okay, so for the verse, we've got a chord progression going D, E minor, B minor, G, and A. But the chords are going to be like this: D, okay, E minor, and you can add these two fingers if you want to play an E minor 7, and then you can go to B minor like that, and then G, and then A. Okay, so let's go over that quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts again. Then for the bridge and for the tag before the bridge, they do these chords: D/F sharp, and then G, and then A, and then B minor. Okay, so those are the chords. Simple. Once you have them, practice them one after the other, just slowly. D, A, B minor, G, E minor. Just practice those chords slowly until you get it, and then you start strumming them. The strumming pattern is just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also do a picking pattern like so. If I'm playing a D chord here, it's going to be like this. I'm returning to the secret place, just an altar and a flame. Love is found here in the secret place. Da 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 da. Cool. That's it. That's it for the song. You can do the picking pattern, but I would just stay with the strumming for now. For the bridge and the tag, it's pretty simple. Just play along with the original as much as possible. That way you'll get really good. And remember to play with your fingers close to the frets, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.